How to become a beast in 6 months. 1. Fix your schedule and sleep at 9 p.m. to be awake at 4 o'clock a.m. 2. Quit your excuses and work out for 30 minutes daily. 3. Include fresh fruits in your daily diet to optimize your health. 4. Prioritize cold shower in a day with no excuses. I promise your self-discipline will be boosted. 5. Listen more than you talk and be teachable. 6. Learn to say no unapologetically and get busy minding your own business. 7. Make an attempt and read 50 pages to sharpen your mind. 8. Learn a new skill every 3 months and spend another 90 days developing it. 9. Set on a monitoring walk after having 2 glasses of water immediately after sleep. 10. Sleep a quarter of your day to reset your focus and boost your mood. 11. Meditation creates a space between feeling an impulse and acting on it. 12. Please for no one else. Do something for yourself for 6 months. 13. Go for 1,000 hours without watching news or talking politics, and use the to rest. 14. Make more money and invest wisely to buy yourself anything without looking at the price. 15. Prioritize 4 hours of deep work a day over 8 hours of business and make time to improve yourself. 16. Make time for your close friends and family during your weekend. Like, subscribe and share the video if you find this valuable. Thanks for watching.